Breaking tonight, new fears have set in over the coronavirus spreading.
In the past 2 hours, more than 700 new cases are reported. For weeks now, flights and travel to China have been scaled back, but the virus has had more major outbreaks in other countries like Italy and Hong Kong.
This evening, President Trump spoke about how his administration would handle an outbreak in America, saying, "We're very ready for this." We have team coverage tonight surrounding the sickness.
First, WCNC Charlotte's Vanessa Rufus joining us live with more on President Trump's plan tonight. Vanessa.
Fred and Sarah, we are here at the Mecklenburg County Health Department, just one of many agencies that are getting prepared for the coronavirus. The main takeaway we heard from the president's speech today, as well as health officials on all levels, is that the government is working together and with the private sector to prepare. And now they want Americans to have a plan in case the virus does take hold here in the States.
We're very, very ready for this, for anything, whether it's going to be a breakout of larger proportions or whether or not we're at that very low level.
President Trump assuring Americans on coronavirus, tapping Vice President Mike Pence to lead the effort going forward. Existing measures like travel restrictions and quarantines will be bolstered with stocking of medical supplies and creating a vaccine, possibly ready in a year or longer, meaning for now.
The answer to containing is public health measures.
So, hand washing, not touching your face and staying home while sick, but not medical masks.
Having a healthy person wearing a face mask is not going to help them from getting infected, and it will diminish the supply for people who are sick.
North Carolina's coronavirus task force also urging everyone to plan.
Thinking about scenarios, what might it look like if you had a family member who is home and you need to stay home from work to care for that family member?
Knowing the best time to prepare is when the risk is still low.
Based on whatever happens, we'll be able to scale it up, scale it down quickly and aggressively.
And today, Health Secretary Alex Azar said that the latest coronavirus count in the U.S. is 60, and that number has grown since the beginning of the day. But one thing that health officials locally are insisting upon that the public remember, there are no confirmed cases of coronavirus here in the Carolinas. Reporting live in Mecklenburg County, Vanessa Rufus, WCNC Charlotte.
I'm Hunter Sines with how some local parents are preparing for the coronavirus.
It's very much on the front of my mind every day.
Emily says she's stocking up on canned goods and daily needs just in case the virus starts to hit the Charlotte area.
Kind of spent a good chunk of money and just kind of stocked up just in case.
She's not alone. This person on social media says her friends literally just joined Costco for the first time to stockpile food. A primary concern for parents like Emily, their children.
There are runny noses and coughs and fevers running around everywhere in his school and other schools currently.
There are no cases here yet, but many area schools say they'll have a plan. CMS is waiting to hear from the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction. A detailed plan expected next week.
Make sure that we don't put out too much and start to scare people, but we do need to take this seriously.
Across the state line, a plan is already underway for Lancaster County schools.
Teachers, faculty, all administrative staffs are fully prepared.
A virus spreading rapidly, and now people bracing for the inevitable.
You don't want to hope for the worst, but you want to plan for the worst and expect the best.
And health officials say don't panic. Instead, just be prepared. Of course, there is an abundance of things that you can do to keep your family from getting the virus. That information is on our website at WCNC.com. I'm Hunter Sines for WCNC Charlotte.
And for continuing coverage on the coronavirus and for CDC recommendations on how to protect yourself and your family, text the word coronavirus to the number on your screen. It is 704-329-3600.